Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken gravy. Begin by reserving pan drippings and measuring out an equal amount of flour and fat to create a roux, then whisk in warm chicken stock gradually. Simmer until thickened, then season to taste and strain if you prefer a silky texture. I'll guide you through timing, consistency tips, and quick swaps so your gravy turns out rich and balanced every time. Measure your fat and flour precisely to form a stable roux, and cook it just until golden for a toasty base. Slowly add warm stock while whisking continuously to prevent lumps and ensure a glossy finish. Reduce over low heat until the gravy coats the back of a spoon, then adjust seasoning and strain if needed for extra smoothness. These steps guarantee a reliable, restaurant-quality gravy every time you make it. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more cooking tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. It smells great and keeps your drive enjoyable while you're transporting delicious meals. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Boost flavor by finishing with a touch of cream or milk for silkiness and body, or whisk in a little Dijon mustard for subtle tang and depth. Fresh herbs like thyme or parsley add brightness, while a dash of soy sauce contributes reserved umami without tasting overtly salty. Taste as you go, balancing salt, acid, and fat until the flavors sing together in harmony and the gravy complements your chicken perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.